Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can turn off notifications on Discord. So if you are using the Discord mobile app for an iOS, open Settings, then enter the Notifications category. If you would like to turn off the in-app notifications, disable this toggle. If you would like to disable notifications outside of the Discord app that you will receive outside of app or through system, tap at this section over here. Then once at the Discord permissions, go into notifications and switch off this toggle over here. If you are using the Android version of the Discord app, the procedure is not much different. You will also need to enter settings, then notifications category, then disable the in-app messages and notifications if you want to, and if you if you're interested in disabling the system notifications as well, go to get notifications outside of Discord and turn off this toggle. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.